In this video, I'll show you 4 fully open source and free UI libraries you never even heard of. Every single one of these hidden gems have less than 300 GitHub stars, and one of them might become your favorite UI library. I have the biggest collection of UI libraries out there, and I'm sharing everything with you, so make sure to subscribe. And if you have any UI library for me, just put it in the comments and you have a chance to end up in one of my videos. First one is called Neon Blade UI, and in this moment it has only 24 stars. From the look of this landing page, you can already see what kind of library this is. Check out these components. So first, these cards already are looking so good. They have backgrounds which are all in this awesome sci-fi thing. We saw this one on the landing page, which is all looking really good. Then we see this Matrix Rain, also really awesome. Glyph City, check this one out. Imagine someone comes to your landing page and you have this Glyph City right here. Amazing. And the one that I love the most is this holographic terrain. Check out this. When I hover my mouse, it is moving like this. Awesome. Then we have like a standard components. So here we have cards. You saw them there in the documentation. So they all have this neon hover effect, which really looks good. Then we have this one, the notch card. And check this one out also. When I hover my mouse, we have these like subtle animations that are looking pretty awesome. And also these. So these are those cards from the documentation that we saw, and you have like different animations for each card. You can see everything is totally different. This one is without hover, and I really love this one that we have also this. You can see that glow, that it is working something inside of this. We can change the colors, of course, and everything. Everything is really flexible. We can use it any way we like. Then we have these frames. This is also looking really good. We also have these hover effects, which are looking really great. And this glitch text, check out this one on hover. Like it has this glitch. I love this one. Like if you want to create some kind of sci-fi landing page or like entire project, Neon Blade is perfect for something like that. You have all the things that you need, like buttons, you have badges, you have nav bars, and everything is fully open source and free. So this library was really, like when I saw it for the first time, I was really impressed, and you should definitely go check it out and give this guy a star because he definitely earned it. Next one is called .matrix, and here we have the coolest .matrix loaders I've ever seen. We have over 55 free and open source loaders built with React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS, and it is working with the ShredCM registry, which is really awesome. So we have here, you can see some really interesting loaders. Imagine like your user is clicking something and then you show some loader like this. It really looks impressive. There is also this like soundbars loader, this infinity run. They're looking really good. I really love this project, and you can also change the color. So here we can change to green, to this like orange, blue, etc. And when we choose whatever we want, we click the pulse ladder, for example, we can see here the loader. How does it work? Everything we need to do is just to run this shredcm command, put it inside of our project, and just put it like this as the .m2, and everything is working. So these are really awesome. You also have a playground, so you can open a playground here and you can do whatever you want. So here you can even adjust the speed. I mean, this is looking crazy. We're not like in a disco, but we can change here the color to this mint, for example. We can put in the custom color if we want. We can put the pattern, for example, diamond like this, or cross, or like this, like rings. And we have here animated off, so we can put it just like this. I mean, this is, you can see that we are changing here our parameters, so you can use basically this animated or not to switch it on off based on if you are loading something or not. And we can also put this bloom. I mean, this is really amazing project. I love these kind of projects. This is why I love open source, because you can get some crazy ideas like this and turn it into a project, and you can actually use it for your own projects. So definitely check out this one. I think it has around 300 stars now currently. Give this guy a star because he definitely deserved one. Third one is called Shark. This one is pretty new, and I think this one is going to be really interesting. This is definitely a really good start. So we can see here, first thing, this customize, which I really love because you can do that from here directly to all of your components to see how they look. I think this is really important, and this is something that all UI library creators can learn from, because it is really easy to show like how flexible your library is. And if we go here to the components, I want to show you one really interesting component that is missing in many other UI libraries, and that one is called tour. Check this one out. So we have here this tour component. I'm going to open this button, and we have here welcome to the tour. So we have first model. Then I'm going to click start tour, and we're going to the installation step. So we are literally like doing some kind of onboarding with one component, which is pretty awesome. So we have here installation step. Then we are going to the next step, which is a usage step. So we can lead our users through our page with only one component, which is really crazy. And then final, like that's all folks. So you can put how many, of course, steps you want. And I think that this is one really awesome component. Other than that, you can check also other components. There are some pretty interesting things in here. For example, this tree view, I think this one is also really good if you're building some file system on the web or something like that. You can check out also other components like timer, tags input. Here, this one is also really good. It has this nice like highlight, and you can type in whatever and it is going right here. So you can put in multiple things inside of this input. So these components are pretty good. I think this design engineer has really good sense for things. And make sure to check out Shark, give it a star, only 34 stars. That is crazy. So make sure to support open source. And the last one is called RemoCN, like Remotion. And with this project, we can build product demos and cinematic videos like this to showcase our product. How crazy is this? Check out some examples right here. So for example, we have this code. You can see that everything is moving. Also this one, like showcasing the revenue and things like this. Crazy, really. And check out, we can go to browse components. So entire library is using Remotion under the hood, and you can import all these components using ShadCN registry. So we have things like this blue reveal, for example, this staggered fade up, then masked slide reveal, everything that we have basically with video creation. But we also have this UI blocks section. And check this one out, glass code block. So we have this animation, 6 seconds right here, and we have also these gradients and all these things happening. And check out how easy it is. So we literally just use this glass code block right here, and we put in here title hero.tsx. In code, we put the code and the result. Here we can see the title, and we can see the code that we placed as props inside of this component, and it works just like that. This is like, I really love this project. Check out other component as well, this terminal simulator. Like this one is looking so good. Like putting something like this in your project makes it look professional. You know those parts where you put in the features, where you put something like this in your features, and it is perfect. Like you just put this as some kind of player inside of your landing page, and it automatically makes it look more professional and live. We also have, for example, this code difference right here. This is really looking good. I can't believe that something like this is possible using React. So definitely go check out RemoCN, give it a star. It has now around 300 stars. something like that. It definitely deserves more, and I hope that you liked this one. I'm on a mission to help out open source developers, so if you have any open source projects for me, just put it in the comments. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to give you an honest feedback. And don't forget to give these guys a star. You have all the links in the description below. And if you want more content like this, join the Mighty Horde, subscribe.